All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a famous person that you are interested in. Present tense. Okay, please start.
Today, I would like to talk about my favorite personality. He is my mentor, Abad Iqbal Khari. He is a very famous YouTuber and education consultant. I met him 2 years ago in seminar. After that, I joined his organization name is Positive Pakistan. He's a vice president of International Iqbaliyat Club, and he spread a lot of information about Iqbal, and he spread information in youth and why it's important. And he's my role model, and he's very. I learned a lot from his personality, how to spend time, and how to help us, how to help another, how to help other people. So that's why I am interested from his
Okay,
personality.
that's fine. You're on the borderline. Just try to speak a little more, it'll be better. But today you're not doing that mistake. Good thing. Okay, keep it up. Good job. Just try to elaborate a little more and you'll be fine. A little more fluency through practice, and that's okay. Now, what type of people become famous these days?
In these days, in my country, mostly youth is very famous in my country, because nowadays mostly content creator in social media, and it's very best opportunities for all of us who have knowledge, and who have something doing something different. So
Okay, do you think it is difficult to become famous these days?
I think if we achieve something, we spread information easily to in social media, and social media is very good platform to explore the audience, and spread your information, spread your ideas, and I think it's a very good thing if we focused on our goal. So
What's the question?
question is,
Do you think
do
it is
you think
difficult to become famous?
become
So
a
focus
famous?
the question. Don't focus social media only. Say, well, I don't think so. It's difficult to become famous. With the help of social media, anybody can come under the limelight. People are becoming famous overnights just because of one video that goes viral. So, to answer your question, I would say becoming popular is not a difficult thing at all. That's it. Okay, so keep it short, keep it simple, and focus the question, whatever the question is, right? Thank you.